Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Juan Larico. I am 40 years old and we live in Arequipa. I work at the Carlos Alberto Seguín Escobedo Hospital. Es Salud as a laboratory technician and is holds study at Continental University. What do I usually do in my free day? I usually spend day with my children, play sports, read books, and watch educational movies. Every month I use up at cheese show have the cups and they you to wear. During work I perform clinical analysis and learn a lot about new laboratory techniques. In the evening, I like to play soccer, do some exercise at home, work in the park, and Sundays two children. This is for my family. If you want to be healthy, exercise every day and the nutrition foods very do I usually play sport. I play soccer in the park near my house and some days I iram and do the new. Last year I went on trip to the mountains with my family. It was my name's. We hiked every day a slope, river and boards and they layers. I lost. They finished for their first day and Horton. Both he did push a lot of fun. My children were thrilled and we took lots of pictures to remind a birthday experience. What did I do during the trip? I hacked fish, explored the manuals and helped my children learn about plants and animals. How did I feel? I felt excited, relaxed, and grateful to be able to spend quality time with my family. From this experience, I learned that spending time with family is very important and that it's essential to dedicate day to every nature. I hold realized that during new and cheap can we find children and healthy furthermore a discover children organizing family activities strengths bonds and trees unforgettable memories. Thank you very much.